Dr. Mutunga.
Ni mĩario ĩrĩa rĩu ĩronekana kũiga hatĩka-inĩ ngwatanĩro nyoroku ĩrĩa mbunge na rũhonge rwa wathani makoretwo makĩrahĩra atongoria mbunge-inĩ ya bũrũri ũmũthĩ makĩenda President William Ruto atherie mĩario yake ya mũthenya wa ira ya kũmakuruhania na ungumania na kwamũkĩra mahaki mbunge-inĩ nĩguo mahĩtukie mawatho mamwe ta watho wa kũhũrana na ũhorania wa mbeca.
It is so unfortunate that a statement condemning all of us as corrupt extortionists, yet some of us have held the sharp end of the knife to support him, is something that we cannot accept.
If you have a problem with someone, you say it. You say, I have a problem with this and that person. But you cannot demonize the whole institution of parliament.
That's the first question I got when I went home last night from my wife. He wanted to check my pocket if I had any illegal money.
So when you attend a forum where for the first time in a PG, live TV has been invited, and then you are being accused of that kind of thing, it is so insulting.
Mwikarĩrĩgĩte wa kamĩtĩ ya watho na kĩhoto mbunge-inĩ akĩeherania amemba kamĩtĩ-inĩ ĩno na kwamũkĩra mbeca o ciothe.
I wish to categorically state that the committee did not solicit and did not receive any inducement of any kind whatsoever from any member or quota in its consideration of the anti-money laundering and the combating of terrorism financing laws.
Amwe a bunge rĩu makĩenda President William Ruto atho ekinye cikaro-inĩ cia bunge nĩguo gũtemania wĩra wa kũrĩa mbeca ici ciaumire na nĩa maciamũkĩrire.
This house has been called a corrupt house. This house has been alleged to have received some 10 million. My suggestion, Mr. Speaker, authorize the Powers and Privileges Committee to summon the President, or if not the President, then the head of public service and the secretary to the cabinet to come and tell us about these allegations, because we don't know how to protect ourselves out there.
Kwa ihinda mbunge ya bũrũri ĩkoretwo ĩkĩina rũmwe na rũhonge rwa wathani harĩ kũhĩtũkia mendekithia na mawatho mamwe, amwe ya mbunge makĩrara kuona kuga rũhonge rwa wathani nĩ rũmakunyanĩire.
Mr. Speaker, this house has to stop being a choir for the executive.
Members of this house have stood with the executive. Even though some of us have been opposing, members of this house have stood with the executive and supported them on all their agendas, including becoming extremely unpopular with the population because they were making sure that the agenda of the regime has passed on the floor of the house.
Amwe ya thiriti ya mũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa ODM Raila Odinga nĩmonanĩtie kwaga kũiganĩra na mĩario yake ĩgiĩ kĩgĩna kĩa NGCDF gũtambũrũkio wathani-inĩ wa matũra, hamwe na mĩario yake ya kwagĩra kĩene mbunge ya Senate harĩ kũnyabara mĩrutĩre ya wĩra ya magavana.
Mr. Speaker, what is coming out of this house is that he's looking at governors more favorably than he's looking at members of parliament, which is Senate and National Assembly. We are all your children. Look at all of us favorably.
Everything also they want to do must come through this house. Even if for you to dissolve this NGCDF, there must be some work to be done here in Parliament. Who is going to do it? So, Mr. Speaker, let them have their say. We are going to have our way. That's the position.